viewers, today I am discussing the change of narration of optative sentences. First of all, let me define optative sentence. An optative sentence is a sentence that expresses wish, prayer, blessing, curse, etc. Example: may he get success in his life. May you top the examination. God save the king. Optative sentences begin with may most of the time, but there are some optative sentences which do not start with may. Example: may God save the king. May God save you. Here there is no use of may. Now let me talk about the rules for the change of narration of optative sentences into indirect narration. Rule number 1. The reporting verb is used wish, bless, pray, curse as per sense or meaning of the sentence. Number 2, that is used as the connective to join the reporting verb and the reported speech. Number 3, important change. In the indirect narration, the optative sentence changes into assertive sentence. An optative sentence has the structure of may plus subject plus V1. An assertive sentence has the structure of subject plus may or might plus V1. Now, let us illustrate all these rules to change narration. See, he said, may you get success. Indirect, he wished that he might get success. Here, said is changed into wished, and that is used as connective to join reporting verb and the reported speech. Similarly, the saint said to him, may God bless you with wisdom. The saint prayed or wished that God might bless him with wisdom. Here, said has changed into prayed or wished because the sentence expresses wish or a prayer. That is used as connective here. May changes into might. He said to his enemy, may you be ruined. He cursed his enemy that he might be ruined. Here, may you be ruined expresses a curse. So, the reporting verb is cursed. He cursed his enemy that he might be ruined. Similarly, take another example. He said, God save the king. God save the king. Indirect. He prayed or wished that God might save the king. Here, said is changed into prayed or wished. That is used as the connective. And God may save the king turned into God might save the king. In this way, optative sentences can be changed into indirect narration easily. In my next class, I shall talk about the change of narration of exclamatory sentences into indirect narration. Thanks.